And part of my job today is going to be to sweep our area where we all hang out together. Don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm trying to walk and talk and chew gum, and that's never a good idea. And then the other thing I'm going to do is clean out this storage area and combine it with stuff that's underneath my bed and reorg the hitch-all. Just a day in the neighborhood. Look how dirty and messy this thing is. Oh boy, gonna be lots of fun. Bandit and I are sitting here enjoying morning coffee. Well, I am. Bandit isn't. He's just enjoying the morning with me. Taco and Gray out walking in the fallen trees. Can you see them? They're going in and out of the trees. The girls going for a walk. That's Gray, Dubs, and Carrie, Taco, and Buckley. We are staying inside painting. Here's Jana getting all the stuff out and getting ready. Blinds are already down. I've been cleaning the windows. We're getting there. Woohoo! I've been carrying these tubs and project boxes around with me forever, waiting on this day.
I got all this stuff out and forgot my paintbrush.
Well, I can go get that for you.
Well, I think it's laying on the hitch-all.
All right. Hi, Bendel. Hi, Sammy. Y'all doing okay? Nope, must be in the bucket. All right, let's see. I got a whole bunch of stuff for nothing. See, the problem is I have a whole bunch of paintbrushes, and I don't know which one she wants. Jana!
I want the cheap one. One you paint with and throw away.
All right. I'll do that. Or not.
Got it.
And we have 2 crock pots of stew meat going for the day, for the end of the day.